Hello, I'm Sedanur ŞEN. I'm a senior student at Pamukkale University, Department of Conservation and Restoration of Cultural Heritage. Our department is located in Pamukkale University, Pamukkale campus, Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences. There are many historical buildings in the world, especially in our country. The aim of the Department of Conservation and Restoration of Cultural Heritage is to preserve these historical structures from the past for the future in the best way possible. In our department, courses are provided concerning tile structure, stone, metal, glass, ceramics, and textiles. After graduating from the department, students can easily find jobs in institutions affiliated to the Ministry of Culture, General Directorate of Foundations, Museums, and Archaeological Sites. I chose this department because of my interest in archaeology and because I wanted to learn about different civilizations. I chose Pamukkale University because it provides benefits regarding the field of excavation and restoration. While I was studying at the department, I can easily say that my work in archaeological excavations and the theoretical and practical training I received contributed a lot to me. I want to progress academically after graduation. If you're interested in archaeology and you believe that you can do this profession, you should definitely choose the Department of Conservation and Restoration of Cultural Heritage. Since Pamukkale University is a student-friendly university that guides students in every field, I chose Pamukkale University. I wish success to students who will take the university exam